What's up, YouTube? Stop by, drop this video off today. Hey, look, we're gonna do this video on Robinhood versus Coinbase for actually buying crypto. I'm not really gonna speak too much on buying stocks with Robinhood. I'll throw it in here and there, but we're gonna give the little speed up on buying crypto through either platform. Me personally, be ready for the fees for either one of those. Crypto has a fee. Like when you go on Coinbase, every time you buy this crypto, they're going to take a fee out. So be ready on both ends. One is going to take more out than the other, but they're kind of the same. Just be ready on both ends for that. So they do have the same comparison with that. My main thing, what I do like about it the most is that Coinbase will have every crypto that's, how can I put it, IPOing, that's launching way before Robinhood will have it. Robinhood they have just now gotten hooked to staking rewards. I've been staking crypto 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And I'm like, they're just getting staking, but it wasn't a crypto platform. So the big advantage Coinbase has over Robinhood is that they're actually a crypto platform. They focus on crypto, trading crypto. Like you can trade crypto on there. That's the difference. Robinhood is just now getting all of these things, which that's a good thing. The comparison now that at first we wasn't really comparing any of the same things. So a lot of the meme coins that Coinbase will have, Robinhood won't have. Robinhood has your major coins, honestly. Like if you're looking to get into Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, what's another Toshi, coins like that. I hate the name. I'm not even gonna name those coins. It's the bullshit. I'm not even gonna say them. I was about to, but Robinhood is gonna support those. But those coins that they have no idea about, Robinhood really doesn't support that right now. Which I'm not saying in the future it will change. They are getting hip. They are adapting and adopting everything that the other crypto platforms have. So technically, if you were trying to get into crypto and stock, you can have that all in your Robinhood account. If you were just looking for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I mean, you don't really have to go. But mine was a couple months ago, 2 years ago. Why can't I stake anything? So you telling me I just own it and I'm not staking anything? I didn't like that, being honest. But I do love Robinhood for stocks. Crypto, my thing is if you're going to say you're into crypto, you want to see everything that crypto has to offer, not be limited. That's my only difference. But if you were just trying to get into the coin, like Bitcoin doesn't have any staking rewards. When Bitcoin was 20, 30,000 and you were trying to get in, I understand then. But I need everything that comes with it. I need all the rewards. Because between me trying to get my rewards and losing money on fees, you're going to go through that. So I'm just going to say Coinbase is the bigger platform far as the crypto. Let me know in the comments which one you are preferred to choose. Because I promise you, one of them, like I said, in maybe a year or two, one may pass the other. Because this what got me. 2021, let's say 2020. Buying dollar cost averaging in was not a thing. You had to buy a whole share. So Robinhood got to that early than a lot of people. Robinhood was a new platform, 5, 6 years ago. I didn't know that that's when I first started investing. So these were the first platforms I signed up to. Robinhood, Coinbase. These are the first platforms. And I didn't realize the advantage I could have took of them, but I didn't know it was new. Especially when other folks can't tell you about this information because it's still new to them. Like when they were talking about the NFTs and all that. But what got me was I literally own Robinhood stock at $12, $9 a share. Robinhood stock is $4, $5, $103 between that right now. It done made it to $112, $113 all-time high. So you telling me you got to adapt with these platforms and know what's new going on in this world? That's literally what messed me up. In the same time, I asked someone, I said, bro, do you think I should invest in the Coinbase? They said no. And I listened. I would never listen to someone else with invest in my own ideas and the things I thought of investing in. What's going to make me rich is not going to make them rich. I can't even, some questions you don't even ask people. I promise you. And this was at $60 a share. Coinbase is at 300 and something a share. It still fluctuates. Like I could have got back in or whatever. But I'm just looking at the world change right then in our face. And I have to ask myself, who adapted? Who didn't adapt? Who caught on to what was going on? Who doesn't know what is going on? So me personally, if you're trying to get a big advantage in crypto, Coinbase right now. If you're trying to navigate your stocks and your crypto, Robinhood. Is either one wrong? No. It's an advantage? Yeah. But if you're not looking for meme coins and those new coins that haven't really been established yet, you see the difference? So tell me what coins you're buying, what you got going on in your portfolios. Like, comment, subscribe.